Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. This is your English class. And you all know that we are doing chapter number 2. And the name of the chapter is Double Muddle. So we have done many things in this chapter. We have done some Let's Try also. But today we will start the Let's Try 3. Let's Try 1 and 2 we have done in the previous class. And today we will start Let's Try 3. So let's start with question number 1. So in Let's Try 3 there are some questions. So we will start from question number 1. So the question number 1 is, what did Vasu thank Amma for? Vasu ने अम्मा को किस चीज के लिए थैंक यू बोला? What did Vasu thank Amma for? So the answer is, Vasu thanked Amma for 10 delicious crispy dosas. He ate 10 delicious crispy dosas. For that he was thanking. वो क्या कर रहा था? इसलिए थैंक यू बोल रहा था अपनी मदर को. तो वासु thanked Amma for 10 delicious crispy dosas. So the next question is, who did not get any dosa? किसको एक भी डोसा नहीं मिला था? I think you all know that who did not get any dosa. प्रभु did not get any dosa. प्रभु को एक भी डोसा नहीं मिला था. And why he didn't get any dosas? Because वासु ने सारे डोसास खा लिए थे. So that's why प्रभु did not get any dosas. So students, we have done Let's Try 3. There were only 2 questions. Now we will do the question answers as we read. So there are some question answers. Now let's start from number 1. Why did friends and teacher always confuse between Vasu and Prabhu? जितने भी friends और teacher थे, वो क्यों confuse होते थे that who was Vasu and who was Prabhu? Because they both were identical twins. We all know now, because we all have read the story that Vasu and Prabhu was identical twins. इसी वजह से जो friends और teachers थे वो always क्या होते थे? Confused. And sometimes उनके mother and father भी क्या हो जाते थे? Confused. Right? So we can write because Vasu and Prabhu are identical twins. Because Vasu and Prabhu were identical twins. Why did they confuse? वो क्यों होते थे confused? Because Vasu and Prabhu were identical twins. क्योंकि जो वासु और प्रभु थे वो कैसे twins थे? They were identical twins. It means they both were look alike. एक जैसे दिखाई देते थे. Now the next question is, why were Vasu and Prabhu looking forward to dosas for lunch after school? क्यों वासु और प्रभु ये सोच रहे थे कि हमें आगे जाके स्कूल के बाद what we will eat dosa. Questioner is asking, why were Vasu and Prabhu looking forward to dosas for lunch after the school? Why they were very excited? वो क्यों बहुत ज्यादा excited थे कि हमें स्कूल के बाद क्या खाने को मिलेगा? आज डोसा खाने को मिलेगा. So look at the answer. Because in the absence of mother, तब उनकी मम्मी घर पर नहीं थी. Because in the absence of mother, Appa had fed them only dal rice, curd rice and banana. तब उनकी मदर घर पे नहीं थी तो उनके फादर ने उन्हें सिर्फ क्या खिलाया? Appa had fed them only dal rice, curd rice and bananas. That's why they both were very excited to have the dosas in lunch. So we can say Vasu and Prabhu were looking forward to dosas for lunch after school because in the absence of mother, Appa had fed them only dal rice, curd rice and bananas. So students, we can say that that's why they both were very excited to have the dosas in their lunch, right? So the next question is, how many dosas did Amma make? कि अम्मा ने कितने डोसास बनाए थे? How many dosas did Amma make? So you all know that Amma made 10 crispy dosas. अम्मा ने 10 crispy dosas बनाए थे, 5 for Prabhu and 5 for Vasu. But all dosas were eaten by whom? वासु. सारे डोसास किसने खा लिए थे? वासु ने खा लिए थे. तो वी कैन राइट अम्मा मेड 10 क्रिस्पी डोसास. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वाई कुडंट प्रभु हैव एनी डोसा? प्रभु ने एक भी डोसा क्यों नहीं खाया? वो क्यों नहीं खा पाया था? क्यों नहीं खा सका वो एक भी डोसा? बिकॉज सारे डोसा किसने खा लिए थे? वासु ने. So we can say that Prabhu couldn't have any dosas because Vasu ate all dosas. We all know that Vasu ate all dosas instead of किसकी जगह खा लिए थे? प्रभु. So we can say that कि इसी वजह से प्रभु एक भी डोसा नहीं खा पाया. We are repeating again these questions. This question again. Why couldn't Prabhu have any dosas? कि प्रभु को एक भी डोसा क्यों नहीं मिला था? प्रभु couldn't have any dosas because Vasu ate all dosas. क्योंकि वासु सारे डोसा खा गया था. Now the next question is, what did Amma offer Prabhu instead of dosa? अम्मा ने प्रभु को क्या ऑफर किया डोसे की जगह? राइट. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इंस्टेड? इंस्टेड का मतलब होता है की जगह, कि उसकी जगह क्या ऑफर किया. So the question is, what did Amma offer Prabhu instead of dosa? तो I think you all know कि उसकी मदर ने उसको क्या ऑफर किया था. क्या ऑफर किया था बेटा? कर्ड एंड राइस. यस. तो अम्मा ऑफर्ड प्रभु कर्ड एंड राइस इंस्टेड ऑफ डोसा. तो what we will write अम्मा offered What? क्या ऑफर किया था? अम्मा ऑफर्ड प्रभु. अम्मा ऑफर्ड कर्ड एंड राइस टू प्रभु. कर्ड राइस टू प्रभु इंस्टेड ऑफ डोसा. डोसा की जगह उसकी मदर ने कर्ड एंड राइस ऑफर किया था. तो वी कैन राइट अम्मा ऑफर्ड कर्ड राइस टू प्रभु इंस्टेड ऑफ डोसा. अम्मा ऑफर्ड कर्ड राइस टू प्रभु इंस्टेड ऑफ डोसा. सॉरी, देयर विल बी फुल स्टॉप. राइट. तो हम लिख सकते हैं कि अम्मा ने कर्ड राइस ऑफर किया था प्रभु को किसकी जगह बेटा? डोसा की जगह. Yes. Now, why was Prabhu grinding? Why was Prabhu grinding? And what is the meaning of grinding? Smile, मुस्कुराना. तब हम कुछ करते हैं, तब हम बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हैं, बहुत खुश होते हैं, किसी को चिढ़ा के तब हम छोटी सी मुस्कुराहट देते हैं. That is called grinding. So, why was Prabhu grinding? So the answer is Prabhu was grinding because he ate 10 dosas. वो क्यों हंस रहा था? वो क्यों मुस्कुरा रहा था? क्योंकि उसने 10 के 10 डोसा खा लिए थे. That's why he was grinding, right? और वो क्या कर रहा था? He was thanking to the mother. वो मदर को थैंक यू बोल रहा था. And after that he grind. उसके बाद वो उसने छोटी सी मुस्कुराहट दी. So we can say that Prabhu was grinding because he ate 10 dosas. So students, today we have done many question answers. So you have to learn all these. You have to learn all the difficult words, all the word meanings and all the questions that we have done today. So that's it for today. See you in the next class.